So how do you solve equations by substitution? Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I've been teaching college math for 9 years now, and substitution is one of the most popular methods to solving systems of equations in algebra courses. And once you see how this works, it's actually a nice method to solve, and it's pretty straightforward and easy to get used to. So here's an example that we have for you today. Suppose you have two equations, the first one being y is equal to 3x plus 1, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 18. Now, the whole idea of substitution is, if you know what one variable, in this case being y, is equal to something else, since you know y is equal to 3x plus 1, then what you can do is you can take this and use it for the second equation. Most of the time, you only want to work with one variable as opposed to two. So because of this fact that y is equal to 3x plus 1, you can take the 3x plus 1 and put it in place of the y. So in other words, your equation is now going to look like 2x plus 4 times 3x plus 1 equal to 18. It's a direct substitution. It actually makes the equation easier because you now go from having two unknowns to just one variable that you're solving for. After that, you go ahead and just use the algebra and go from there. So you have 2x plus 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times positive 1 is a plus 4, and that's going to give you 18. The algebra continues. Combine your like terms. 2x plus 12x is 14x plus 4, and it's going to give you 18. Subtract 4 on both sides, and then you have 14x is equal to 14. And then 14 times what number is going to give you 14? Well, you divide, and as a result, you will have x equals to 1. So that's one answer. However, remember, since you have x and y, you need to find out what the y is. But the good news is you know what x is. X is 1. So what you want to do is you want to plug the 1 back into any one of the red equations that I have up here. Now, because y is already by itself in this case, it's easier to plug in 1 in place of x over here. So here's what we have. Y is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. You know 3 times 1 is going to give you 3. And then add the 1, you're going to have a grand total of y is equal to 4.